This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tom yum soup. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and bird's eye chilies for that authentic kick. Also, prepare your protein like shrimp and some sliced mushrooms. Don't forget fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and a little sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, have some tom yum chili paste ready for depth and color. To begin your flavorful broth, gently bruise the lemongrass stalks and galangal slices to release their fragrant oils. Add these, along with the kaffir lime leaves, to a pot of simmering water or chicken broth. Let these aromatics infuse for about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, introduce your sliced mushrooms and your chosen protein, such as shrimp, cooking until they are just tender and opaque. Now it's time to perfect the iconic tom yum taste. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, the juice of 1 to 2 limes, and about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of tom yum chili paste, depending on your preferred level of spice and color. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, aiming for that delightful balance of sour, spicy, and savory notes. Your delicious tom yum soup is now ready to be served. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish generously with fresh cilantro. For an extra kick, you can add a few more sliced bird's eye chilies. This vibrant and aromatic soup pairs wonderfully with a side of steamed jasmine rice, making for a truly satisfying meal. Also, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.